Method is what? Assume mean method. Even that method you can use. Third method is step deviation method. Depending on the given data, you can use any method. You can use direct method, step deviation method, or assume mean method. And if you find that first method, that is direct method, is easy for calculation, you can solve all the examples using direct method. So if you find the calculation by all the three methods, you will get the same answer. So there is no restriction that you must use particular method only. So let us start with the exercise. Exercise 14.1. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program. So in most of the survey, this tally marks or the statistics is useful, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses. So 20 houses survey was done, and they found that how many plants are there in 20 houses. Find the mean number of plants per house. Means what? So because in all the houses same number of plants will not be there. So after collecting the data, we will find out per house how many plants are there. So that is called as what? Average or the mean of given data. We have to find out the mean of the mean number of the plants per house. Now see here, number of plants. So here first of all we have to make two columns, number of plants, where we are given the range 0 to 2 plants, one house is there. 2 to 4 plants, 2 houses. 4 to 6, 1. 6 to 8, 5. 8 to 10, 6, and so on. So first of all, these all are called as what? Class intervals. So we have to make here two columns, and here frequencies. It means what? 0 to 2, how many houses are there? So these are called as what? Frequencies. So let us write this data in terms of column. So I've written the number of plants 0 to 2, this as a class interval. CS stands for class interval. Then number of houses, we will call this as what? Frequency. Then I means what? This is a frequency for the first column. Then if you put here 2, this is a frequency of second class interval. Now here I'll tell you the direct method of finding the mean. So the formula, just we will see first formula, direct method of finding the mean. For mean. So you can show mean with a short form x bar. So here summation of fi, xi, summation of fi. So now you know this is what is fi. These are the frequencies. This column we know. Then what is xi? This is called as what? Class mark. So class marks we will calculate using the class interval. Let us take here class marks that we show with xi, or just you can simply show with x. This you can simply show with f. Class marks, how to find out the class mark? Class mark is addition of upper and lower limit. Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So you will get the class marks. So whatever class marks you are getting, that you have to write in this column. So what will happen? Summation. So what is the meaning of summation? It is what? Addition of all the frequencies. So frequency we have, we can add here and we can write here. This is addition of, summation means addition of fi into xi. So first you have to multiply fi and xi, then find the sum. And further you can do the calculation. So let us first find out xi. Class marks, that is what? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. Just take here 0 plus 2. This is lower limit, this is upper limit. 0 plus 2 is 2 divided by 2 is 2. So 0 plus 2 you do, and then divide it by 2. So for first you can find out here xi. So you can do the rough column, and here you can find out 0 plus 2 divided by 2. So I'll get answer here as what? 2 ones are 2. So 1 is the answer. Now 0 plus, now 2 plus 4, that is second xi you can find out. Here you can write here x1, x2. 2 plus 4 divided by 2. But easily you can find out that 2, between 2 and 4, 3 is there. So sometimes you will get this class interval, the range of class interval is small, then you can find out directly class mark. So this is 3 you will get. Then 4, 5, 6. So what is midpoint of 4, 5, 6? That is 5. 6, 7, 8. So 7 is a midpoint, but every time you will not get like this. Sometimes you will get the answer in decimals. But here the range is less, range is 2, so you can easily find out. So 8 plus 10 divided by 2, that is 18 divided by 2, you will get 9. then here 11, here 13. This is xi. Now summation of fi we can find out, addition of these all frequencies. So you can add and you can find out the addition of frequencies. So if we add these all, and we know that we have done the survey of 20 houses and the number of houses is nothing but the frequency. Next, you have to need to find out fi into xi first. So we will write that here, fi into xi. So multiply fi and xi column and write here 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So while adding, write the digits in one place, all the digits in same column only, and tens place here, so that it will be easy for you to add the fi into xi. 9 6 are 54, then 22, write ones place digit one below the other, then tens place 33s are 39. So that no need to take this column here in rough column and add it. Here only you can directly add. After adding these all, because we want summation of fi into xi, you will get this as, you can add it 162. Now we want here to calculate mean summation of fi into xi, that is 162 divided by summation of f, that is what, frequency, that is 20. If we calculate this, so first we can reduce this into lowest form, otherwise 162 divided by 20 you can do, you will get the same answer. So I would like to reduce this to the lowest form, because you should know the table 20 table you can learn easily, and you know the table 20. Otherwise just both are prime number, both are even numbers, so I will divide this with 2. 2 tens are 20, 0 because 1 is less than 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 ones are 2. So you got here 81 divided by 10. Whenever you are getting denominator as 10 or multiples of 10, no need to do the division, directly you can write the answer. Just write the numerator as it is, and over 1 only 1 0 is there. So from the right side, after one digit you put the 0. Suppose 2 zeros are there, then after 2 digits you have to put the point. So the mean is what, 8.1. This is the mean of the plants per house, right? So therefore, so our question is what, per house, mean number of plants per house means each house one house, that is 8.1 plants. So approximately 8 plants are planted by per house. So here we are using the direct method. The reason is what, because it is asked why, sometimes it will be asked why you are using direct mean method. So here you can see the values of fi and xi. See, these are the smaller values. So for you to find out fi into xi will be very easy. So these are single digit number, and mostly you have got here double digit number. So it will be easy. So you can use this method. If you want to find out the same problem using step division method, assumption method, you can find out, you will get the same answer.